Hey everyone, this is Randy with Window Screen Manufacturers right here in beautiful Houston, Texas. Today I'm bringing you a brief tutorial of how easy it is to order your next window screens. After you get on our website, you'll notice you have a choice between insect screens or solar screens. And for this example, I'm going to select solar screens. At this step now you'll choose between 80% or 90%. So you're going to see the first thing you're going to do is put in the width of the screen that you wish to have, followed by the height. Second, you're going to also put in the color of frame that you wish to have for your solar screens. You'll also notice that there is naturally a 1-inch frame that comes with your solar screens, and this is normal, as 3/4 inch frame is standard for insect screens. And finally, you're going to choose the color of material that you wish to have for your solar screens. As soon as you do that, just hit add to cart. 2 days later, we'll have this built in a box and shipped to you. It's that easy.